Hello friends. So in the last two video or in the two lectures, we have seen the introduction of determinant, and also you have seen how to find the value of 1 cross 1 determinant, 2 cross 2 determinant and 3 cross 3 determinant. Now here we are going to solve the exercise 4.1. So here I am not going to solve all the questions from this. So some of the questions I will solve, and then later the whole exercise I will give you for homework. Okay, so here I will take the first example in this, that is determinant of cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. So as you know, this is a 2 cross 2 determinant. Then how to find the value of this for 2 cross 2 determinant? First we have to multiply the left diagonal elements, that is cos theta into cos theta, that is what, cos square theta, minus right diagonal elements, that is sin theta into minus sin theta will be what, minus sin square theta, will be what, minus sin square theta. So it is minus sin square theta, so which is equals to cos square theta as it is, minus into minus it is plus sin square theta. But as you know, the trigonometric first identity, cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So answer is 1 here. Next, second one, determinant of x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1. So again it is a 2 cross 2 determinant. So again same, you have to multiply first left diagonal elements, so that is what, x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1, that is right diagonal elements. Now here, as you know the algebra, so from this bracket take the first term and multiply inside the bracket, x into x square, x cube minus x square plus x. Now take 1 again, multiply inside the bracket, so you'll get 1 into x square, 1 into minus x, 1 into 1, 1, minus n as it is. Now this is again algebraic identity, a minus b, a plus b, what we write, a square minus b square. So here it is x square minus 1 square. So here minus x square plus x square cancel, plus x minus x cancel, so left with x cube plus 1, take minus n inside the bracket, so it is minus x square and plus 1, because 1 square is 1, minus into minus plus, so the answer is x cube minus x square, 1 plus 1 it is 2. So this is the answer here. Now next, third one, I will do it for 3 cross 3 because what I am taking the third example here, the similar type example is there in the 2 cross 2 order also, but I will solve it for 3 cross 3. If a is equals to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, then show that determinant of 3a is equals to 27 into determinant of a. So here you have to find LHS and RHS separately. So if you observe the LHS, what is the LHS here? Determinant of 3a. But to find the determinant of 3a, first you must have 3a. But in the question they have given only a. Means what you have to do it? You have to multiply 3 to that matrix a. So which is equals to. So when you multiply 3 to the matrix A, what will happen? That 3 will multiply each and every element present in the matrix. So you will get what? 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 6, 0, 0, 12. So this is your 3A matrix. This is your 3A matrix. Now you have to find LHS. So what is LHS? Determinant of 3A. So which is equals to determinant of 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12. Now you know that because in the last video we have seen how to expand the 3 cross 3 determinant. So you have to expand with what? Which row? First row. So in the first row, first element 3. 3 is present in first row, 3 is present in first column. Leave this row, leave this column, means leave this and this. So only these 4 elements are left. 12 into 3, 36, minus 0 into 6, 0, minus second element is 0. Keep in mind, so when we have the element is 0, then no need to write the multiplication of this, because 0 into anything is 0. But in this example I will write it. So 0 is present in first row, second column. 0 is present in first row, second column. So leave this and this. So these two elements, 12 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 6, 0, plus 3 into, now 3 is present in first row, third column. Leave this row, leave this column. 0 into 0, 0, minus 0 into 3, 0. So this is 3 into 36. 0 into anything is 0. 0 minus 0, 0, 0 into 3 is 0. So this whole part is 0. 36 into 3, I think how much? 3 6 18, 1 carry, 3 is a 9 and 10. So answer is 108 for LHS. Now we have to calculate RHS, that is 27 into determinant A. So here we will calculate that. RHS is equals to 27 into determinant A. So 27 as it is, determinant of A. So what is determinant of A? 101, 012, 004. 27 into, again expand with first row, 1 into, so 1 is present in first row, present in first column. Leave this row, leave this column. Okay, leave this row, leave this column. These 4 elements, 4 ones are 4, minus 0 into 2, 0, minus second element is 0. Just now I have explained. So when the element is 0, then no need to write the multiplication, because 0 into anything will get 0 only. So I will not write that. Plus third element is 1. So 1 into, 1 is present in first row, third column. 1 is present in first row, third column, means leave this and this, means these 4 elements. 0 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 0, sorry, 0 into 1 is 0. This is 27. 4 minus 0 is 4, 4 ones are 4. This is minus 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So the whole part is 0, so just left with 27 into 4. Again the answer is 108. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so because LHS also 108, RHS also 108. So this is the answer here. Now next question, that is I think fourth one. So this question is what? Find the value of x. Find the value of x. In that first question I will solve. Determinant of 3xx1, which is equals to 3241. So these examples are very important for 1 mark. Okay, so here first to expand the LHS. Now 1 into 3, 3, minus x into x, x square, which is equals to 1 into 3, 3, minus 4 into 2, 8. So this is 3 minus x square, which is equals to how much? 3 minus 8 is minus 5. We want x value, right? So therefore minus 5 transfer here, it becomes what? Plus 5. Minus x square transfer to other side, it becomes plus x square. So therefore how much? X square is equals to 3 plus 5, it is 8. So x is equals to plus or minus root 8. You can keep the answer as it is, or this can be written as plus or minus 4 into 2, or x is equals to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 and this root 2. So this is the answer here. So these type of questions are important for 1 mark. We will solve another one question on this. Determinant of 2 4 5 1, which is equals to 2x 4 6 x. So here 1 into 2 2 minus 5 into 4 20, which is equals to x into 2x 2x square minus 6 into 4 24. Now here 2 minus 20, answer is minus 18. Here 2x square minus 24 as it is. Now minus 18 transfer to that side should becomes what? 2x square minus 24 minus 18 transfer to that side, it is plus 18, and which is equals to 0. Now here minus 24 and plus 18, minus 24 and plus 18, it will be how much? I think minus 6. So that will do it here. That is 2x square minus 6, which is equals to 0. So 2x square is equals to minus 6 transfer to other side, it becomes plus 6, and x square is equals to 6 upon 2. Then x square is equals to 3, or x is equals to what? Plus or minus root 3. So these are some examples I have solved from the first exercise. Now whatever the examples I have left in the exercise, that you have to work out. So that exercise I will send you. Means I'll scan that copy and I'll send you. Okay, so do that exercise. Thank you.